All the way top, even taxis go to the topmost. Next time I should come by bike, so I can climb onto the other mountains. And at the top of the hills, they have done roads like this. Okay, at the further end you can see how Kamun 13 is very, very down. Kamuna 13 or whatever it is. I went try to open that lock over there to see whether I can sit over there and do a presentation with that view, but you cannot. The lock, they have closed the lock over there. They have put off the lock there. I asked someone, allow me to your balcony. He did not understand. He closed off the door. Casa Negro. I simply entered. Okay. The Lord Buddha statue here. Marilyn Monroe. And what a nice view it is here. So if you want to get it, you will get anything. What a nice view. Panoramic view. Panoramic. I came that side on the gate. Oh, you can go there also. Let me go there. It is very, very beautiful. Worth coming here. Wow. Wow. I kept my bag over there. This is the beautiful place. See how down it is? I'll go slowly. You can stand here or what, you'll fall. Okay? I always take a risk. Wow. Wow. My God. I'm tired. This is Abhinandan here. See what a view. I went all the way top. I was about to break that gate and enter over there. Okay? There was a gate over there to enter that and go there. But I saw this one. I came. People are sitting here. But see the view. I am tired. Wow. This is worth it. If I sit over here, I'm afraid it should not fall. I'll do a presentation sitting here. Nice music at the background. See the houses over there. I can sit there also to be more safe. But if I sit here, it is more nice. But if I fall, I will roll all the way down to the houses, on top of the houses there. So let me not take the risk. Here is a chair. See the flowers, how beautiful they are. It was worth coming over here. He did not even ask me, what shall I get for you? But it's about to become twilight. And it's a very nice view, $1 million view. Now let me do a presentation here. So it's going to become dark right now. And you can see some people here. And before it becomes dark, okay, I will sit here. I've come all the way down. Kamun 13 is down. That is where is the, you can see, is the downtown. And now I'm going to give you a small presentation. This is a bar over here. And cars are here. And I thought, what $1 million view it is. So those of you are my associates and friends and know me, I've taken a printout. My associates first and other people. Abhinandan, my Facebook page is here. And this is the view in Medellin. In Medellin, Colombia. I'll come here next time. I'll buy something from them. And this is a energy drink. Mr. Kuna will know. This is an energy drink, Big Boss. What lorry drivers will drink in Malaysia, I heard. Okay, I put it inside that powder. I have my fruits here. It's a high vitamin C. Oh, a lot of people are coming here. Oh, I did not know that. Oh, a lot of people are coming. Okay, this is the view people get. Wow, I thought I'm the only person. I think he's the owner or the center guy.
I go 4,000 pesos, soda cost 4,000 pesos, 6,000 pesos, 7,000.
I don't know why it stopped off in between. A lot of tourists who have come. You speak English? My name Abhinandan, my Facebook page.
What is that, man?
I am from India. Let me give you my card. You are from Medicillin?
Yes.
Very good. I would like to have your number. You can have this. You can have a small energy drink.
Uchuvas. That is the name.
Yeah, Uchuva. Is it good for health?
Totally, the fruits are so good.
Yeah. Can I put you on the camera for my friends in India?
Welcome. Communal Rural in Colombia, in Medellin.
Yeah. And what is this place called?
It's called Black House Viewpoint.
This call is Black House. Okay. It is open on weekday also.
What?
Weekday like Monday, Tuesday. I can come on weekday also.
Yes, you can come.
Okay.
One of the best viewpoints in Communal 13.
Oh, very good. I'll come here. He's the owner.
Actually, the owner is not here. They are in charge.
Huh?
They are in charge.
Oh, they are in charge. Okay, fine. So I can buy something here. I'll have your number. Let me give you my card.
Okay.
Interrupted for a few minutes. The person who is the organizer here, Mr. Real. Okay, just saw this one. Came and read everything. Gave me his number. I sent him all the videos. Okay. So this is a very nice place. It's becoming evening. I wanted this place. Like this place is a mountain still more tall. I'll be going next time over there. And people sit like this. And there are some tourists also here. You told half an hour for them. And you're from which country, sir? You're from which country?
France.
Huh?
France.
Oh, France.
France.
Okay. I was there in Paris in December 2023.
No.
Okay.
How was it?
Very good. After Paris, I went to Barcelona.
Hey.
Okay, I was there for another 1 month, and then I went to, in 2024, I went to Belgrade, then in Romania, and then USA.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. You are also from France?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You all speak English?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
A little bit. I listen.
Okay. What do you work in France?
Where do I work?
Ah.
In Paris.
In Paris. I would like to come to Paris once again. I was only there for a few days. Okay.
It's work.
But let's exchange number. Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes.
This is my number, USA number. That's my USA number. Okay. So this is a tip of this. Very nice view. I got the right place which I wanted, which I was dreaming I should get it. Okay. So you can WhatsApp me on my USA number.
Okay, nice.
Okay, whenever you're free.
I don't even know where is it setting.
Okay. You want to have that fruit? Try. It's a very good fruit.
We already
Huh?
we are doing a tour and we have already tried plenty of food. I can't. What is it?
It's a very famous with a lot of vitamin C and antioxidant.
Is it? What is it?
It's called Uchuva. You can ask your person.
Uchuva.
Ah. You want to have one?
No, it's okay.
Have one. Just taste.
No, it's okay. What is it?
It's a fruit. It's a Colombian fruit.
No, I'm not hungry.
Okay. So let me explain to you this. So my associates, you have to take a printout like this. You are paying 4,750, 4,741. This is on my Facebook page for new people. Abhinandan, my Facebook page here. My WhatsApp number, USA number, my email ID. If you go to YouTube and if you put my name on both in India and USA, you get all this. So this is about me visiting all the countries. Okay, do you like to visit countries like this? Do you like to come to Colombia, Medellin like this? See, after nearly 3 months, I've come to a place like this. 3 months. Okay, because people were frightening me here. Don't go here. Don't go here. So, again, this is about me. When you pay 200 oh, this is for Colombian people I've done. If you pay 201 rupees, I'll give you after the videos, everything. I'll tell you how you can earn $2,000, $3,000 to even $5,000 per month or even more. Okay, and then see, one understand this. In life, we all get opportunities. We all get opportunities, but people don't utilize it. And when it is a small money, When you have small money, you should not be hesitant. What do you lose by 4,741 rupees? See, in 2009, October 5th, one Bitcoin, for $1, 52 rupees. 52 rupees or 2,000 peso, you could get 1,309 Bitcoin. Today, one Bitcoin is more than $100,000. Today it is more than $103,000 or $105,000. Like that, you get opportunities in life. Stupid people will tell, I am not interested, I have no time, I am busy. Intelligent people will utilize the opportunity. See, let me show you the weave as it is becoming dark. See, the lights are coming right now. Okay. What a weave is this. And for the top of this hill, see, I'll be going next time over there. This itself is a top. It is not so easy to come. See, people all sitting there on the bench to get the weave. Okay. So, you can earn daily $100. So today I'll be closing some 2 people. When I go back down, I'll be closing 2 or 3 people now. I'll be making more than $100 to $150 every day. Okay? To US $300 or more in multiple businesses. Now, no admin, no company. Talk to me. Don't come to your own conclusion. Talk to Abhinandan if you have a doubt. No admin, no company, no owner. It's a community platform. No forex trading, no MLM product selling, no buying, no selling, no RO investment. This is very dangerous. Stupid people go invest in this. No monthly subscription, no crypto staking holding. 100% is paid out because there's no company. It's only a platform. No withdrawal request button. Achieve a free trip. This is for local people here, but you get a trip to Colombia, first to Malaysia, then China, Hong Kong, China. I'll tell you the reason why. And then Colombia and then USA. Talk to Abhinandan. This is my USA number. So what is this? Everything you only pay $51. Okay, see, you give $51, but all this money you will never pay, but it gets automatically get upgraded. So you should take a printout like this and sit in such a beautiful place. What a panoramic view as the lights are coming right now. This is the view I wanted. This is the beautiful view I wanted. Okay, that is from twilight, and the lights coming. Now another few minutes it will become dark. Okay, people are taking their photos, videos, everything. I'll be eating my fruits. So I give opportunity for you to come. But when I'm talking to you, you people, that I will list the stupid people. Yes, stupid people like Amanullah Khan. Okay, lot of other people are there, but I'm blasting him. See the houses on top of that over there. There are a lot of people I can list. Even Moses, not interested. And he did not come to the Zoom meeting. See, the lights are all lighting up right now. They're all flickering. Such a beautiful, lovely view. Apart from having all the other fun in life. Okay? So, you know what? Let me explain this to you. So, you get invite donation 20%. 20% on US dollar 10 is US dollar, on US dollar 50 it is 20% is US dollar 10. So there are 3 levels. Here you are paid 20%, here you are paid 80%, so 100% is paid out. 5 position level 1, level 2, 25 position level 3. Level 3 is 125 position. All this I'll explain in a Zoom. Okay, what is all these things? So you can take a printout, call people for a cup of coffee and explain to see your one ID will become 15 IDs without you paying any money. One ID will become 15 IDs, then 225 IDs, 375 IDs. Then you know what? Here, this is the matrix earning. You won't understand just like that. I want to show off right now that I am in such a beautiful place with the lights now coming up. Can you see the beauty? This is the real beauty. We get pleasures in lot of ways. You get pleasure in eating. You get... Okay, I should take a photo also. Can you take a photo of mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple of them.
She's going to take us in photo and then take you.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So,
Okay. Maybe I'll take
so you know what? I'm going to take a photo right now and let them finish. Huh? So I'll explain all these things to you. How you will end up making every time, probably every day, $3,000. I'm not exaggerating. It will happen. There are people who have already reached space 3 right now in the whole world, either in Canada, USA, Malaysia, Africa, India. Space 3, every 125 IDs you get 3,125, then $15,000, and you tell I'm not interested after paying 201 rupees, like our stupid Subramania. Okay, now you may think, why am I insulting it? Because they're not following what I say. How you are going to get see, 625 re-entry will come to this space 1. You won't understand one time. You have to come and understand this. This is in a binary plan for 155 people. You get only $385, but here you get $3,450. Come and attend a Zoom meeting after paying 201 rupees. So this is a beautiful panoramic view. I'll take my photos over here right now. Okay, and I'll tell my friend over here to take the photos. So I took my photos over there. The French guy, one of the French guy, young guy, took the photos of mine. This is a beautiful view. Beautiful view. Every person has different pleasures in life. Some enjoy eating, some enjoy drinking, some enjoy having sex. Okay, but I enjoy traveling and I like height places. Wow, luckily it's not raining. I'll come once again. Now I'll stop the presentation right now. There's no use of the presentation. See houses and all over here. And these are all people from France. People from France. I gave them my cards. So I'll stop explaining this. This is a very important part. SAM project. Taking 6 IDs. You'll earn more money. Okay, so contact Abhinandan, speak to Abhinandan. If you want to come to Colombia, keep earning more than $2,000 to $3,000 per month. 3,000, and ask me 100 days you have to put 100 days daily. Don't give the stupid excuses. I have no time. Broke people, I have seen them. I tell directly on their face and they get angry and they vanish from WhatsApp, like that loser Amanullah Khan. Okay, one time he had told me, Abhinandan, if there is any nice business, you tell me. But I did not know he's a freeloader. Okay, later someone told me, Abhinandan, he does not pay any money to any business. Anyone gives him freely, he will take it. So in my audio, I had sent him, you have to pay 201 rupees and 4,741 rupees. So he says, I did not listen to your audio. And before I start speaking, he says, I'm not interested. So how does he know that I'm not interested without listening? Is he not an idiot? Like there, a lot of idiots are there. Okay, they don't grow in their life. So anyhow, I'm enjoying my time here. I'll eat the fruits but not drink the beer. But I may take something else. See the houses over there and see that mountain. I'll be going over there. So this is Abhinandan, June 8th, 2025. This is the beautiful view. You cannot get the beauty on the mobile. You cannot get the beauty on the mobile. So let me finish my Malaysian energy drink. Okay? Let me finish off these fruits, pack all these things. Sit, I wanted to sit over there, but I can sit there also at the edge. Only thing is should not collapse. Okay? I may be only 70 kgs, but there's a strong metal down over there. But it's very beautiful, very nice. Okay? And panoramic. What is the angle you can see? It's about 60-degree angle. This is the whole of Mediterranean. Whole Mediterranean. That side is below. That side is the downtown somewhere over there. Stadium is over there. You can see the lights over there. That's the stadium. That's where I stay. Okay? What a view is this? Worth it, $1 million. See that fellow's houses and all. A red light coming over there inside that house. Okay? So you make money, you can take like this a property. Anyone can purchase a property in Colombia, any foreigner. So I'm going to stop right now. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. Contact and speak to Abhinandan. Okay? WhatsApp me first on the Malaysian number. And then call me between night 11 p.m. India time. Night 11 p.m. If you don't get sleep at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, that is the best time to call Abhinandan. You cannot call anyone else. But because I'm in Colombia, it will be a daytime for me. It's very beautiful. You cannot see how the lights are flickering over there. Next time I'll go on that mountain top, this mountain top. This only is a very big mountain, but still there's a backdrop over there. I'll go there. People kissing, see? Smooching. Okay, anywhere you can see like this in a metro or in a park or any place. People smooching like anything. French kiss. French people are here, they are not kissing. But they are giving a nice French kiss. Okay? So these are all the slum area. Ghetto area, now they're released. Okay? So, I'm going to stop right now because it is dark. And this is the view. So contact me between night 11 p.m. till morning 10 a.m. Still morning 10 a.m. So enjoy them free kissing. Okay? So here you can see anyone romancing anywhere even in the metro station, but no one will be looking. So that's how people enjoy their life here. But they don't know how to make money. 80% people earn about less than $300 per month, less than $200. Less than $200. I met a beautiful English-speaking girl who lived in New York for 17 years. Her salary is $180 per month, from morning 8 o'clock till night 7 o'clock in a clothes shop. Okay, and she says, I'm happy with my job. Even here also. Anyhow, so contact me and speak to Abhinandan from night 11 p.m. till morning 10 a.m. on India number. I am not like other people who will say I am busy. If I miss your call, I'll call you back. So best is to WhatsApp me. Best is to WhatsApp me. So let me sit and enjoy eating that and finish and order something. So I'm here. So they will respect me next time when I come during daytime. I'm stopping right now. I was here for nearly 1 hour time, enjoying the view and forwarding the photos to my WhatsApp group. The French people have left. There were a lot of them. There are two young lovers sitting at the edge over there of this plank with at least more than 10 floors down, sweep down it is, slope. So I live right now and Comuna 13 is down. I have the videos of it. I'll come once again on a weekday. 5 o'clock it opens in the evening. Okay, 5 p.m. So I found a nice place here. I'll come to Comuna 13 also, which is a very nice place. You can watch those videos. Now let me leave from here. I'm walking to the most dangerous place. Let me take my bag. So next time I'll come here by 5 p.m. and I'll do a business video, business presentation video. So this is Abhinandan. Okay, this is like a small bar. Next time I'll go top over here. They have a nice Buddha statue. See you next time I'll come. Thank you. Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe was a lover of John F. Kennedy. Okay. Buddha statue. Casa means home. Negra. I don't know what does Negra means. So I've come out right now. So this is on top of a hill. Can you imagine cars coming here, road like this? Okay, this was the place I came. Can you see here people coming right now? He told from 5 p.m. it is opened. 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. And this is above Comuna 13. I have made videos of Comuna 13 and it's very nice. I'll send those videos. But this is on top. I was over there for 1 hour time. Okay. You know English? No English? No. You play football?
Football.
Oh, very good. You stay here?
Yes.
House here? Casa? Okay. Huh?
Where are you from?
I am from India.
India.
Okay, I want your number. I want to ask you a question. 1 minute, let me stop with this recording. Spoke to this nice couple who play football with their kids. Okay, and I told him, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I told him I want a rented room here. See, I was very frightened to come here. You know why I was frightened? I was thinking it is like all this very bad people, you know, poor people. Like in India, you'll see, no, in Jharkhand. I thought there will be all this dangerous people. People told me like that. Okay, don't go. It's very dangerous there. But you see all people like these beautiful Punjabi girls, like that they look. Okay. And I came like this that time from Comuna 13. So here buses come still here. And I'll come again over here. People are engrossed and you can go like this to the football match. This is on top of the hill. Medellin only is on top. Medellin only is at 3 or 4,000 something. This is another road. No, Bogota is at 8,000 feet, 8,800 feet. Okay, there are buses here. See, buses do come. See, buses do come here, which will take you to East Stadio. But I'll walk and go. I like walking. So you have buses coming here and then I can go like this. That is a couple, football couple I named. So you have buses, but this is the down slope. I will walk now. Okay, I like walking. Lot of exercise today. Very interesting life. And I got a very nice view place to make videos. I'll stop it right now.